So two of the things that bother me the most about the Z Fold 2 in terms of split screen multitasking is the fact that not all apps will rotate and not all apps are compatible with Android's split screen multitasking. Apps like Instagram, for instance, want to stay only in portrait orientation and they will not allow themselves to be split with another app. Now this isn't a huge deal, but I prefer to do my multitasking with the Z Fold 2 rotated into landscape mode because then you have two wider screens, which to me are much nicer to use than two narrow screens. And like I said, some apps won't let you split screen at all. So I was doing some digging and I found a solution to at least one of those problems and maybe a solution to both of them. So let's dive into this here. So if we jump over here to my Z Fold 2 and we search for an app called Rotation Control in the Play Store. You're looking for this guy here, Rotation Orientation Manager. Once that app is open and running, you're gonna have to go through and enable something. Just follow the instructions, enable what it's telling you to enable, and then you can scroll down, and I have been using Full Sensor Override System. It's there highlighted in blue. What this thing is going to do is it's gonna run in the background, and it's going to force any app you open to rotate. And I can show you this right now by launching Instagram. There's Instagram rotated around. Now look, I understand there are big bars on either side because Instagram sucks on Android, but it's there and it rotates. If I rotate this thing around, you get the idea. I am flipping my phone around. You can't really see this because it's plugged into a USB cable, but trust me, I am rotating the phone around and it is running. However, if you try to then multitask with another thing, it's not going to work. It says drop now to go into full screen view. The only thing you could do would be have a floating window, which does work, but it's just not the same. So we need to figure out a way to make that work. And apparently, there's a way to do this. Apparently, if you go to your settings, you go to About Phone, you go to Software Information, and we're looking for build number. Tap that a bunch of times and now you see it's popped up and said, I want your PIN. Developer mode has been turned on. All right, so now we're gonna go back and back again. Now we're gonna go to developer options and we're looking for an option that says force actions to be resizable. All right, so we've done that now. So let's open up Twitter and let's try Instagram. And holy mackerel, there you go, it's fixed. That fast. And now Instagram is able to be multitasked and rotated. That is hugely important. And it's an addendum that I need to post quickly because in my multitasking productivity comparison between this device and the Duo 2, that was something that I did mention. And a lot of you guys mentioned that that was a bummer, and apparently it is that easy to fix. So yeah, stay tuned for more cool stuff like this about the Z Fold 2 tips and tricks. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.